In this video, we are going to talk about R34P token and about its staking. And secondly, we are going to check out the market and I will share a great news of the crypto market which is around the corner. So if you want to know more about R34P token and about the latest news of the crypto market, stay tuned with us.
Feel uninvited.
So it's the time to talk about R34P. R34P is a soft fork and constructed as a secondary layer on the Reflect Finance RFI project. R34P token benefits every holder with a low cost charge of 1% fee in every transaction on the blockchain, redistributed to every wallet holder automatically based on the amount of R34P token in their wallets, and another 1% will be sent to 0x000 wallet that will automatically burn and reduce the circulation and also the total supply. The main features are that 1% on every transaction split between the holders and every transaction triggers at 1%. And R34P is now tradable on the Uniswap decentralized exchange. I will show you that one also, that right now this token is available on the Uniswap. So you can easily buy the token directly from the exchange and the volume is growing rapidly. So about the locked liquidity. Liquidity has been locked, no dev tokens, no paid shillers to dump, and a fair distribution. The team of the R34P is creating a farm where people lock up R34P and Ethereum liquidity tokens to farm a token called GR1M. GR1M can be staked to earn more GR1M or used to swap for exclusive NFTs through the website. The funds raised from the selling of the NFTs will be split between the artist, R34P buybacks, marketing and further development. Here you can see right now R34P token is available on the CoinGecko and also it is available as a trading on the Uniswap exchange. So you can easily purchase the token, and the best thing here you can see $31 all-time high. That is such a great thing, only 3 days before, and right now the price is entirely low, so you can easily buy the token and you can make some good amount of money. So the buybacks would happen through creating a R34P and GR1M pair that can also be used to lock the liquidity token and farm GR1M. The buybacks will happen manually by me, so I can inject the capital into R34P to create the price bottoms and breakouts at the best possible time for R34P. This promotes the health and price appreciation of the R34P while giving the community the NFTs they have been asking for, and it is also an opportunity for everyone to farm and ape into a new token GRVM. So definitely the price of this token will increase gradually, and if you want to stake right now, you have the chance because the team is going to open these all things for you so you can utilize all the utilities of the R34P token soon. Now at the end of the video, we are going to talk about XMO exchange, a cryptocurrency exchange. XMO has given a new estimate for the amount of cryptocurrency lost in a security breach on Monday, saying nearly 6% of its total crypto assets were stolen. I will share the link of the entire blog. So what they are saying, I will tell you some briefs right now. XMO official said that after analyzing the logs for the affected servers, it is assuming the attacker had access to some of the private keys and that it's trying to find out how this was possible. And about minimum 6% of the entire BTC and Ethereum they basically lose that in this attack. So what you think about this impact in crypto market? So kindly do let me know in the comment section. The comment section is open for you and I will definitely answer each and every one. And also I will share the links of the R34P so you can easily read all the things, because I am not a financial advisor, but it's my work to tell you all the latest news of the crypto market and also about the latest tokens which are going to merge in the crypto market. Thanks a lot.